Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and sell an ebook on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing step by step and beginner friendly. Start by choosing a topic people actually want to read. Look on Amazon Kindle store. Filter by best sellers in your niche. Things help, finance, romance, or how-to guides. Pick a niche you know or can research. Use tools like Google Trends and or ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Focus uh, Focus on solving a problem or entertaining your audience. You can write your ebook in Google Docs. Go to your app section, then search for Google Docs, then click blank document, enter your book title like how to book, then adjust the text size, bold it, and change the font. And align middle center, then type your ebook. Keep it clean, clear, and valuable. Use short chapters like add a clear intro. Now size your text again like that. Here it your intro. Then con conclusion conclusions conclusion. Use free tools like Grammarly to polish your writing. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you outline or write draft faster. Amazon prefers specific formatting for Kindle ebooks. Use 12 pt time New Roman font type. Left aligned text. Page breaks between chapters. Save as .docx or .epub. You can also use free tools like Redc, Kindle Create, or Caliber to format professionally. A great ebook cover can make or break your sales. Use Canva or Book Bolt to create a clean, readable cover that fits your Amazon size. Go to Canva Click on create a new design tab, then click custom size. For Amazon's size 1600 into 20 205 2560 pixel, then create design, then add a clear clean background, like go to elements, then choose a shape like that, then adjust the shape, add your image here like that. Design your Canva like that. When you are done, just click on share button at the right side, top right, then click download, then format like JPG, then download it. Use bold fonts, avoid to match much text, keep it relevant to your topic. You can add image from upload step and add it to your canvas. Now go to kdb.amazon.com. Sign in with your Amazon account, then click create a Kindle ebook from your dashboard. Fill in your title, description, and keywords. Choose categories, upload your ebook file and cover. Preview your ebook, set your pricing like $2 to $9. Enroll in KDP select. Once published, promote your ebook to get sales, share on social media, use email marketing, join Facebook groups related to your topic, offer it free for a few days using KDP free promotions, collect early reviews for social proof. And that's how you create and sell an ebook on Amazon in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and check out my next video on how to make your first $100 selling digital products online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.